Hi guys, it's Beth from Cantata Wellness, and today we're doing a cupping protocol for stiffness in the neck and in the upper shoulders, like along the traps. So the first cup I want you to use is a smaller cup, and we're going to put it right here on the traps. So kind of not on the spinous process. Whoops, it's got to stay there. It's harder in the hair. And so not on the spinous processes, but right next to them. And then we're gonna go along, we don't wanna put it right on the medial border of the scapula, but we wanna be kind of here next to the medial border, and then on the infraspinous process. And then you can also add one right over top of the deltoid on the acromion. And I use just a larger one here because it's kind of over a bone. And so I wanna get a little bit more space so we don't get any mobility. Now, remember when you're using cups and you're moving them that I don't want you to go over bone. But if you're using a static cup and your kind of intention is on the muscle, then you can put this over the bone and just leave it still. Okay, so this is a protocol for stiff upper back and neck, and I hope I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe.